t-shirts are here, the printing will start. So these will be ready for purchase. At least the youth and toddler size will be ready for purchase by the end of July, I'm thinking. Okay, so now we're going to test this design on one of the white kid shirts. These are one of the, this is one of the finalized designs I did. So we are going to test this one to see, I'm just going to scale it to see how it comes out. Okay, we got the elephant down. Oh no, elephant, good grief, hippo. That's a hippo, y'all. We got the hippo down. So we are going to see, I'm going to try to see if I can press it and show this example at the same time. Again, 400 degrees, I have it for 40 seconds. Degrees fluctuate on this machine, but that is fine. And I want it to kind of look like a painting sketch more so than something that is designed like a vector. So that's what we are about to see. And whatever I don't like, I can always alternate and fix. So in about 8 seconds, we will see what it looks like. That's Gaddy playing in the background, by the way. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna lift it up. Ooh, that is so cute. It came out really nice. And if you can see the paint looking with a variation in shade. Is really hot. You can see here with the variation in the shading. If I try to go close up, you can see all the detail of my drawing in Procreate and the variation of the shading depending or I use a particular paintbrush in that design program. And even here, so it did exactly what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to have these pops, see-throughs of white, different shading. I wanted it to look that way. Even in the mouth here, you can see it here is shaded a little bit different. So it actually came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. And it's really, really vibrant. Really, really vibrant. Sublimation tee. And you can see here, it's in the fabric of the shirt. You see how I stretch it? So it's in there. It's in there. So it came out beautifully, actually. It came out beautifully. So I'm really happy with it. Okay, now we're going to do the bear to see what it looks like. And this is more so to do the correct measurement, which on average for a youth size shirt is 1 to 1.5 inches from the neckline, which really I just did. You can't really see through, I just used my 2 fingers. So we're going to do this measurement test, flash look test with the bear. And let's see once again if I can go ahead, press it, use my finger. Medium pressure, 400 degrees, 35 to 40 seconds. And we are going to see how this one turns out. You don't want to have the icon on a used t-shirt sit too low because it's almost going to look like it's sitting on their stomach rather than their chest. So I will at least say that. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to lift it up. Pull the paper up. Oh, y'all, that's adorable. It has the same shading, the artistic brush I use in Procreate shading that I desired. You can see here all the variations of shade. The detail is really, really, really good. So I'm very, very happy with it. It's extremely sharp. And it has more of a I drew this artistic vibe rather than everything is perfect, the same shade, same color. That's not really what I want for these tees, but it came out really well and I'm really happy with it. Okay, so the color test and the measurement test, I have them hanging up here in the studio, went really well. They look great. You can tell that this one, because I was more focused on making sure the color and the size width was what I wanted, but this one has the measurement from the neckline and the top of the design that I want. So the test, thumbs up. In my opinion, I'm really happy with it. Okay, now we're gonna do the yellow and gray. It's supposed to be yellow and gray. Nutrition Facts shirt test. I'm gonna try this again. Press it. Oh, there we go. Press it. Gabby's asking me to paint. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. My little helper today. So let's see how this one goes. I'm pretty happy again with everything so far. Now, sometimes when I print the sublimation design, the color doesn't look like what I designed it as in my Procreate program that I use to design stuff. But once I press it through the heat of sublimation, the color is actually correct. So we're gonna find out in any case. This should be gray and a shade of gray and yellow. So let's see. Let me move that stuff around from the side. Let's see. And oh, that's nice and bright too. I think again, because of how I did it, this is really bright, which is perfect because for this design, this is more of a unisex for whatever child. And I'm gonna have different colorings in the back. It's gonna be one just black and white, yellow and gray. I think I have pink and green and another color combination that I'm forgetting right now, but just the same. It's not focusing. There we go. Just the same. Oh, and that's another little details like that. So this is SM for small because this is a small shirt. So if someone were to order like a 3T, it would say 3T. Medium, it would say MD. Large, it would say LG. So it's really sharp. The color is correct. So this testing business is doing really good so far. That looks fantastic. Okay, we just did the chocolate sherbet ice cream cone. Not sure if I'm gonna call it that, but that's what we're calling it today. So let's see how that one turned out. Ooh, that looks good. That is so adorable. Ooh, and that's nice and sharp. Now this one does look more even, I guess, vector-like. Also drawn by me in Procreate, but it came out really nice. It is adorable. Okay, so all of the test prints are done. They all came out really well. I'm really happy with them. So hopefully I can get my nieces over here within the next couple of weeks to do this photo shoot, and we will be on track to post them on my website in July at some point. So here they are. Thanks, guys.